Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Nissan Armada. The Nissan Armada seats up to 8 comfortably, boasts an endurance V8 engine with 317 horsepower, 385 pounds of torque, and 9,100 pounds of maximum towing capacity. Set foot in an Armada and set off on the ultimate driving adventure. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, heated steering wheel, fog lights, electronic stability control, heated front seats, CD player, rear window defroster, security system, trip computer, power windows, power moonroof, panic alarm, overhead console. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.